A quick look at Shopify POS, which you should get to know. Shopify POS is a point-of-sale system that was developed particularly for companies who deal in the selling of tangible goods. Because of the growth of e-commerce, an increasing number of business owners are searching for a means to manage their inventory and keep track of sales in both their physical stores and their online sites. Shopify POS makes this process straightforward by providing functions that enable you to manage your inventory, take a variety of payment methods, and even administer customer loyalty programs. Let's take a more in-depth look at the aspects that set Shopify Point of Sale apart from its rivals in the industry. The many advantages of using Shopify POS, the seamless integration of Shopify Point of Sale with your existing online business is among the most significant benefits offered by this point of sale solution. Because of this, you will be able to monitor all of your sales, whether they take place in person or online, using a single unified platform. This makes it much simpler to keep track of how much product you have available and ensures that you don't have either too much or too little. Because everything is stored in the same location, it makes managing orders placed by customers much simpler. Shopify also provides numerous payment methods such as Apple Pay, Google Pay, Stripe, and PayPal Express Checkout. This gives consumers the ability to pay using the manner that is most convenient for them. In addition to that, you may run loyalty programs and discount programs directly through the platform. You can even set up automated emails or text messages for customers who have opted into loyalty programs so that they can remain up to speed on any new incentives or promotions that your company has to offer. This may be done for customers who have enrolled into loyalty programs. Simply click the link provided further down to get your concerns addressed by a knowledgeable professional. The fact that Shopify POS has a user-friendly interface is another one of its many wonderful features. This design enables store owners to conduct transactions fast and efficiently without having to jump through hoops or deal with difficult menus or setting screens. Even if they don't have access to a typical cash register setup, staff are able to collect payments when they are away from the register thanks to the mobile app version of the program, which enables them to give superior customer service across the entirety of the business. With Shopify Point of Sale, business owners can easily manage their brick-and-mortar stores while still reaping the benefits of using an e-commerce platform. These benefits include inventory management, payment processing, customer loyalty programs, and more. It should come as no surprise that more and more store owners are selecting Shopify POS as their primary point-of-sale system because of its user-friendly design and extensive feature set. If you're seeking for a simple solution to manage both your traditional storefront and your online business from a single centralized location, then you should seriously consider giving Shopify Point of Sale a try as soon as possible. Click the link provided below to obtain a personalized demonstration as well as answers to any questions you have.